Good day, friends. We want to continue our class on angles between lines and triangles. And today we'll be taking a topic on polygons. What is polygon? A polygon is a plane shape with many sides and angles. Before you can solve problems on polygons, you need to know the different types of polygon we have. The first one is quadrilateral. That's a four-sided shape. The second one is a five-sided shape, which is a pentagon. The next one is a six-sided shape, which is hexagon. The next is seven-sided shape, which is a heptagon. The next is a eight-sided shape, which is an octagon. And 9 is a nonagon. 10 is decagon, and like that. Or if you want to continue, you can say 11 undecagon, 12 duodecagon, and like that. And you need to know the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon. The formula is n minus 2 times 180, or 2n minus 4 right angles. You also need to know that when you add interior angles plus exterior angles, it's going to give you 180 degrees. So that's angle on a straight line. You also need to know that the number of sides of a regular polygon is n equals to 360 degrees over e. So those are the foundation for solving problems on polygons. So today we want to solve this question. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 135 degrees. How many sides has the polygon? What is the special name of this polygon? So we want to solve the problem. Solution. So since it's a regular polygon and each interior angle is 135, then we can know each exterior angle. In my introduction, I gave interior angle plus exterior angle is equals to 180 degrees. And we are giving each interior angle to be 135 degrees. So that will give you 180 degrees. So exterior angle will be 180 minus 135. And that will give you 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 3, 45 degrees. So each exterior angle is 45 degrees. But we're asked to say how many sides has the polygon. From the introduction of my work, I gave n equals to 360 degrees over e. So another way of writing this is to say e equals to 360 degrees over n. So we can go for the first one, n equals to 360 degrees over e. So that will give you 360 degrees over our e is 45 degrees. So when we divide very well, 5 here, 9. 5 in 36. That's 7. That's 35. Remember 1. 5 in 10 will give you 2. 9 here 1, 9 is 72, 8. So the number of sides, n, is 8 sides. So what is the special name of the polygon? 8-sided shape is called octagon. So I think you have learned something today. See you in my next video. Bye.